Sachi here. You're watching MudJar. I hope you're doing great. And today we are doing a small unboxing which I have just opened from top. This is from Ugaao. This is not a plant. So basically I've ordered a kit, small kit for growing basil. So basil leaves I have been planning to grow since long, but I don't have a designated space where I get good sunlight, but I still ordered this so that I wanted to try this on my sill where which is a south facing sill. So I just ordered this kit. It was in this box. This was some paper. Okay, so this looks like this. You can see this says this is from the Pranica, a small leaf basil plant kit. Okay, this is from some other brand, maybe Parnica. I'm very sorry, it's not Pranica, it's Parnica. Okay, they sell through Ugaao. They have Ugaao, under Ugaao there's this brand. So let me just open the packaging. So the box seemed pretty compact. So I feel if you even have a small space in your apartment or house or office, you can just order this. Oh wow. So this looks like this. I'm just trying to change the angle because it's not showing. Okay, so I have this small card over here. I think these are the seeds in this small envelope, and there's this instruction guide how to grow and what is the procedure to follow, like it. And then there's this small cocoa fiber pot in which I can start my cutting. This also contains a small cocoa peat coin which will expand when I'll pour water, and it has got a very cute lid out of this coconut fiber which the seeds will need when I need to cover them. So it's a very cute box. I'm really loving it. And they've got a spray bottle. Oops. They've got a small tray. It's probably the water tray to hold down the bottom water. And they've got a packet of soil mix, which says mix of 100% organic manure and red soil. Okay. So that's the kit, and I'll make another video and I'll post this probably after this. When I start my seeds for basil using this kit. So please do subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon so you get notified when I post this other video, and you can know how my seeds are doing and how to sow them using this kit. So it is not compulsory. It was not a sponsor video. If you want, you can grow it with other methods also. I just thought to grow it from this kit. Yeah, so that was it, and I really want that it should grow. Please wish me luck. And if you want to ask me about the pricing, so this is a bit costly compared to just getting seeds from a seed shop or any garden shop. The whole kit with shipping costed me around $365. But I've got a lot of things. Probably some things can be used later, like the spray bottle and this. So it's a bit expensive compared to just buying the seeds. So let's see, and I'll post a video for this. So stay tuned. Bye. Please do like, share and subscribe.